Mao ni ang starting point nila. Sa bridge. Ang footbridge. Oh. See? The footbridge. Do not danger. And there's the equipment of the bridge. Okay, check it out here. Look at this. Pwede yung tingin, sir. Good afternoon, sir. Sir, oh. Wow. Hanggang dito lang ako, sir. Dito lang ako. Pwede yung tingin? Ha? Ay, oh, di ka dito na. Video lang din ka. Sige, sige. Kayo mag-stick to bayas sila. The bridge project. The material. Si Sir nag-video. Nag-video din siya. This is the landing point of the Davao City Samal Island Connector Bridge, ang landing area. There's some heavy equipment for the bridge. The backhoe. Landing area. Media ka, sir? Lagi 4 hour ko vlogs.
Hello, nag-vlog din si ma'am.
Oh yes, hi. Watch my vlog, Reda Subaan. Hello. I'm there at the beach. Pwede tayo makapasok dyan? Baka hindi. Pwede kami pumasok. Ligo ka dyan sa crane. Si Zero. Isa sa vlogger. Patawi, this is the landing, no? Ang landing point of the Davao City Samal Island Bridge. But this is the landing point of the Samal Island Connector Bridge project.